from the other van. They had to jump it. I'm not sure why. The battery died. Strange. What's that? Because they're hook turns. I was scared for a minute. I was scared. I was thinking it wasn't reversing or something. I was so you can't be serious because we didn't see this thing before we bought it like in person. Sight unseen. Just pictures and video. Should have got that beat. This shit gonna be loud every time I back up. Guess this guy's getting trained. Taking longer than usual. Good boy. Did you have to jump it when you picked it up?
Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Take it out. Sácalo. Okay, if you got the e-brake on, we can go shift.
What happened?
If you got the e-brake on, the transmission don't go on shift.
It won't shift?
Yeah, that's why I was fighting with her. Okay. Don't shift. Now you take it off.
It shifts fine?
It's fine.
Okay. That's good.
But she's smooth.
Okay.
She's smooth.
Yeah, sounds good.
She's smooth. She sounds good.
And it started right up when you picked it up?
When I put the jump box, yeah.
Yeah.
But
So,
you got a new battery, because I see 821. So
okay, because I was like, that's the battery was good.
that's August 2021.
I wonder if it could be
So
something
you
that
still
could
got
sit or something
warranty.
like
It's
that.
Everest. I think it's Walmart.
Okay.
The brand that got the battery, I think it's Walmart.
Alright, forget it this one.
You know how to work with this thing?
Huh?
You know how to work with this thing?
Yeah.
You know how to open this and all that shit?
Oh, now I'm gonna play with it.
It's yours, mama.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna figure it out. Thank you.
It's yours.
Alright, thank you, man.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
Be safe, okay?
Alright,
Happy
thanks.
holidays.
Huh?
Happy holidays.
Alright, you too. Definitely. Oh my god. Dang, that thing is small. Dang. Yeah. Let me see. A little bit of white smoke probably from it sitting. They did. Got a little. They definitely painted that like a dry type of paint. I'm guessing that white smoke is from it sitting. Ooh. It's sitting. Yeah. Yeah, we got the little handicap door. So that's open, closed.
Park for yourself, or you want me to park it for you?
I'm not thinking of space. I guess if you can't pull it there, I guess you can just kind of pull it like long ways right here.
You want to pull it
Like that.
You want to put it there?
If you can fit it there, if not, like I said, you can just do like right here.
Yeah, you can fit it there.
Yeah. I was like, I didn't park too close to the fence. Yeah, you guys, I'm excited. We're going to fool with this tomorrow. So this will be the beginning of part 2, you guys. So, yeah, good night, everybody. It's off the truck. All right, you guys, so there's the van buttoned up in the driveway. So stay tuned to see the first start or not. It's gonna start. I'm sorry, y'all can't probably see, but there it is outside of it. So it's really cold out here. So this is the outside of the van. You can see how tall it is, So it looks pretty good. Wheels are still all cleaned up. They really did that. At least they could have did. Little wheels. Because it got brand new tires on it. You can see. Let's see what kind. Those are Michelin tires. Those are all cleaned up. The interior, the step in. This does have the wheelchair lift in there, so yeah. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do as far as taking that out. And see, there's other tires. Huge exhaust pipe coming over there. Y'all seen a little bit of it if you watched my video, previous video. If you haven't, go watch it. Hang on. Then do have the bumper where you can actually put the tow ball, but we're actually gonna get, if you can see, I don't know if you guys can really see under there, we're gonna put a tow hitch on there. Then we got the metal things to lock in so the doors don't blow. E350 flex fuel, and this is the Super Duty Edition van. So you got these little I guess these are like the little bumper things or door guards on there. So when you open these doors, and then you can open this door manually, you just have to kind of hold it so to make sure that the lift doesn't like fall out on you. Then we got the tall shell, And then what we want to do in the future is to extend this up top, so those lights will have to move up there, and then add the extension piece on there, just like we have over there on this side. I don't like this view, but for some reason my phone, it makes me zoom in like this, because if I zoom out a little bit, they'll turn the flash off. I don't know, that's weird. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to figure out how I can change that. Alright, you guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't watched the previous video, go back and do that. And to see a van tour of this video, stay tuned, because that will be the next video to see the inside of the van. So stay tuned for that. And you see the little light marker over there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, y'all, that's the van right there.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?